Hey, I'm really excited to work together. I wanted to send you this video so you can get to know me a little bit more. As you can see, I usually wear glasses, but because of glare, you'll see me without them in the videos. I have a beautiful wife named Jamie. We have two kids together, a boy and a girl, and I named them Stockton and Sloan after jazz player and jazz coach. As you can see, I'm a huge fan with these jerseys on the wall, and really I love anything to do with basketball. I've grown up in Utah my whole life, but I've lived in places like Hawaii, Georgia, and Colorado. My wife is from Healdsburg. It's a little town in the Bay Area, and we love to take trips out there once or twice a year, or really whenever we can. We go to her hometown, and then we shoot up through the redwoods and along the 101 all the way almost to Washington. But we love this trip so much because the beaches are so gorgeous and there's the coolest lighthouses out there, not to mention the seafood is awesome. So I'd love to get to know you a little bit better. I do things a little bit different than other realtors. I really want to build a strong relationship and get to know you, what you're wanting, what your likes and dislikes are, so that we can tailor this to you and make it an awesome experience. So if you can send me a message on a good time where we can set up a 15-minute phone call, I'll get back to you and let you know what my schedule's like, and let's go find what you're looking for.